Ready to level up your English? I've got 60 phrases, basic and advanced, so you can sound more natural, more fluent, and way more confident. Don't just say thank you. Next time, try I really appreciate it. It makes a world of difference. Tired of I'm sorry? Go for I sincerely apologize. And if you're happy, why not say I'm over the moon? Feeling hungry? Ditch I'm very hungry and say I'm starving. When you want someone to wait, hold on a second. Sounds so much smoother than wait a minute. Swap. How are you? For how have you been? It's friendlier. And shake a leg is a fun way to tell someone to hurry up. For understanding, I get the point. If someone needs to calm down, just say take it easy. Show you're paying attention with I'm all ears. Instead of a plain bye, try take care. Not sure about something. I'm not sure is just right. And if you're scared, I'm terrified really shows you're feeling. Super happy? I'm delighted. Give them options with it's up to you. If something's simple, say it's a piece of cake. Instead of it's okay, go with no worries. Tired? I'm exhausted. Too busy? Say I'm tied up. Something you like? Tell them I'm fond of it. Feeling emotions? I'm furious for anger. I'm astonished if you're surprised. I'm concerned if you're worried, and I'm uninterested if you're bored. Ready? I'm prepared. Nervous? I've got butterflies in my stomach. And if you're really tired, just say I'm worn out. Too broke to go out? I'm broke, rolling in cash. I'm wealthy, feeling clever. I'm brilliant. There are 60 of these, and honestly, practicing them a little every day will skyrocket your confidence. English is all about sounding natural, and these phrases help you do just that. Want to sound more advanced? Next time you're about to say the simple version, pause and try the upgraded one. It's a game changer. Keep practicing, keep leveling up, and remember, I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Thanks for watching and happy learning.